Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the pre-fight podcast for UFC 254. मैं हूँ श्रीहर्ष शाह और आज मेरे साथ मेरे एक बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है स्नेहज
हेलो।
और आज हम प्रेडिक्ट करने वाले हैं UFC 254 के मेन और को मेन इवेंट्स को और हम शुरू करते हैं खबीब वर्सेस गेची से।
पर्सनली मैं बहुत बड़ा टोनी फैन हूँ एंड मैंने तो सोचा नहीं था कि केजी उसको हराएगा एंड इट वाज अ शॉकर, बट उसका करियर ही काइंड ऑफ अ शॉकर रहा है। केजी ने 2 consecutive लॉसेस झेले थे, अल्वारेज और पोरिया के अगेंस्ट, राइट?
या
उसके बाद जेम्स विग, बारबोजा, सरोनी तीनों को फर्स्ट राउंड में आके के आउट किया एंड जो किसी ने सोचा नहीं था, टोनी फर्ग्यूसन 12 फाइट विन स्ट्रीक में था, उसको स्टॉप किया। उसका करियर का फर्स्ट KO TKO स्टॉपेज था। काइंड ऑफ उसका ग्राफ ऊपर ही जा रहा है।
हाँ, ऊपर ही जा रहा है।
देयर इज अ चांस कि वो खबीब को हरा दे।
ओके, यू आर सेइंग कि उसका एक चांस है खबीब को हराने का।
गेची अकेले ने सब चीज नहीं किया है। देयर इज अ वेरी गुड कोच इन ट्रेवर विटमैन who is the genius behind the artist in KG.
ओके,
वो जैसे बताते हैं कि काइंड ऑफ KG उनके लिए परफेक्ट स्टूडेंट है जो सही फॉलो करता है, सही स्ट्रेटजी फॉलो करता है।
सो यू आर सेइंग गेची वो अनोमली होगा इसके करियर में। देयर इज अ चांस, यू आर सेइंग देयर इज अ चांस दैट
देयर इज अ चांस बिकॉज़ उसका he was a division 1 wrestler also.
हाँ, एंड वी आर येट टू सी उसका रेसलिंग, करेक्ट?
Offensively, yes. Defensively, I believe up तक 15 seconds तक वो मैट पे।
yes, I remember. There's एक पोस्ट था ट्विटर पे counting down the time he's been.
So Snehaj, what is your prediction for this fight?
I'm gonna go with Khabib. I'm gonna take the safe bet. But like you said, Gaethje का एक chance है. Because honestly, his career has been a shocker. और ये भी shocker होने के chances है. And like you said, his coaching, A1 coaching, and his offensive wrestling अभी भी test नहीं हुआ है. Lot of factors, but I'm gonna go with Khabib.
And I am going to go with Khabib too, because even though Tony Ferguson के साथ the cardio machine के साथ उसने 5 rounds fight किया, Khabib will be wrestling heavy, and wrestling में 5 rounds जाना is much more difficult than striking में.
Yeah.
And I think Khabib उसको eventually, अगर initial rounds में कुछ नहीं हुआ तो Khabib should be able to take a decision, if not a submission.
वैसे खबीब का क्रिप्टोनाइट क्या हो सकता है? Like what can Gaethje क्या कर सकता है जिससे he can avoid being under that pressure जो होता है खबीब के हर फाइट में? He's all about pressure, putting pressure on the opponents. What do you think?
ओपनली बता रहा है, एक चीज था कि he'll not stand near the cage. वो ट्राई करेगा जितना हो सके सेंटर ऑफ द केज में
रहे। करेक्ट।
एंड लेग किक्स, बार बोला है कि 6 leg kicks will be enough for me to hurt him, and उसके बाद जो भी एडिशनल लगेगा it's just going to increase chances, and that's possible. अगर उसके लीड लेग को उसने डैमेज कर दिया इनिशियली तो टेक डाउन्स लेने में कभी को उतना ही इशू होगा, एंड लेटर राउंड्स में और भी फर्क पड़ेगा।
हाउ वी टॉकिंग लाइक उनके मेंटल गेम के बारे में? Khabib has been through a lot lately. His father's passing away, and we're seeing Khabib after a long time. So
true.
And do you think उसका चेंज होगा उससे उस केस में, फाइटिंग के फिलॉसफी में?
मैं हमेशा, there is one reason I used to love Tony, because he can overcome a lot of adversity in order to win a match. And Gaethje is cut from the same cloth as per me. दोनों बहुत डैमेज खा सकते हैं and still they love the fight game. They try to overcome it, and that's how they have been. But Khabib, उसका advantage है कि he's never been in that position where he takes a lot of damage and tries to come out of it. But then that could also become his kryptonite. When he's actually hurt, we don't know how he'll react. He's one of those fighters जो when he's dominant, he's just way too difficult to bring down, but under adversity we don't know what happens.
Correct. And weight cuts. Weight cuts seemed effortless मेरे हिसाब से तो.
Controversy चल रहा है इसके ऊपर.
हाँ?
Controversy चल रहा है ट्विटर में. सब लोग बोल रहे हैं was it a right weight cut or was there some पता नहीं क्या होगा.
With the way they measured.
Basically सब कह रहे थे कि probably वो 155 से थोड़ा ऊपर था, but they fussed it to cover it up.
Okay. For Khabib.
पहले उन्होंने stop कर दिया and 155 declare कर दिया.
Okay.
But Max Holloway ने एक बार बोला था कि champions they have already proven themselves. वो जो 1 pound का तुम लोग challengers को देते हो initially before championships. It doesn't make sense. If you have to give it to someone, give it to champion because it's already proven himself. And challengers need to prove that they are better than champions in order to.
Correct. Yeah, I see the sense in that. और वैसे भी कितना ज़्यादा हो सकता है? Like I don't even I don't think it will matter performance wise.
Yeah. Let's just say कि whether he wins or loses, Khabib, it's because of his skill set, not because of 1 pound.
Exactly. Yeah.
Right. So I'm predicting Khabib too. Hopefully अगर वैसा हो तो 29-0 होगा. There is a chance of Tony versus Khabib in future or GSP versus Khabib like he wants.
So what would be the future consequence of this match? Like कौन जीतने से क्या हो सकता है? Let's discuss that.
Okay. Gaethje का I can see Conor being a big factor. I think Dustin को dump कर देगा अगर Gaethje जीत गया तो, because then Gaethje will have only 2 options, either Dustin again or fight Conor.
Okay.
And obviously Conor is a much better.
And Khabib जीत गया तो who's next in line?
He says GSP, but I don't know if that
GSP
will happen. Let's say he wins, so there is a Conor versus Dustin का तो फर्क पड़ेगा. Whoever wins, let's say Conor wins, then you will try to make the rematch for Conor versus Khabib.
And Mike Chandler tha stand-in for this match, and Khabib had interesting game plans for Khabib, Mike Chandler and Gaethje. What about Mike Chandler? Mike Chandler pretty new to UFC. What do you think about Mike Chandler?
Khabib ने ऐसे बोला था कि if Mike Chandler fights for this card, by chance Gaethje को कुछ हुआ and he fights, then probably Khabib will fight him standing.
Yeah.
That was kind of a jab at him, but what he's trying to say is कि he doesn't deserve it.
Yeah, exactly.
And maybe अगर उसने Tony को defeat किया by any chance, then there is a chance कि Khabib will consider him. And otherwise, I think Dustin से तो fight नहीं करेगा. Dan Hooker या Charles Oliveira, इनको defeat करने से I don't think Khabib will consider it.
Okay. And also Khabib had interesting things to say about Tony. उसका कहना है कि Tony won't be the same again after जो beating लिया उसने Gaethje से.
There is one interesting thing about that. When he said that, he said it in such a way कि after such a beating, nobody will remain the same, no matter who you are. And then he said, even if you are Tony Ferguson.
Exactly.
So that means he holds Tony in kind of a higher standard in terms of toughness.
एक अलग क्लास में उसको क्लासिफाई करते हैं.
But still, age is a factor. We don't know what happens. Tony ka next fight will be very interesting to see.
Yeah.
That will solve a lot of questions regarding him and regarding whether Tony versus Khabib is still a possibility or not.
I think Tony unbothered hai. He's been in pretty high spirits on social media, posting workout videos.
Tony being Tony.
Yeah, Tony being Tony, exactly. And might I add, Harsha has been talking to Tony for quite some time on Twitter. He replies to your tweets.
Yes,
so we have somewhat of a celebrity on who he's been trolled by Tony.
I hope he comes back strong. It will be really nice to see a positive energy rahega, I think, for me at least.
So both of us are rooting for Khabib. Fight is in a few hours.
Oh, by the way, let's try and predict for co-main also. What do you
Okay.
think? Whittaker versus Cannonier में क्या होगा? I'll tell you one interesting thing.
Yeah.
Cannonier versus Silva ब्राजील में हुआ था.
Mhm.
And obviously Brazil Silva को root कर रहा था, and he ended up beating Silva.
Yeah.
मैं भी Silva को root कर रहा था.
Mhm.
Then Hermansson versus Cannonier हुआ in Hermansson's country.
Yeah.
And Cannonier beat him very badly. पूरा crowd
Uh-huh.
silent था. So there is one factor about Cannonier कि he pulls off upsets.
Yeah.
And I don't think many people are rooting for Cannonier. It is the MMA hardcore fans.
हाँ.
So Whittaker को beat करने का, upset करने का third chance मिल रहा है इसको, which is very much more.
Also, Whittaker has he been himself late? Whittaker का last fight में with Izzy, was he himself?
No, he was a bit hurry में था, I guess, and he said it also. He was not in the best of his mental states. He was not feeling like he wants to fight. He was feeling like he was upset. क्या बोलते हैं? उब गया था उससे.
तो वो नया मोटिवेशन होगा उसके लिए to get the belt back.
I think at least till fight में we could see that he can improve and adjust. And एक चीज उसने बोला है कि I believe I'm better than Cannonier in all of the aspects. कि whether I want to wrestle or whether I want to strike or regarding KO TKOs also, I think I can finish early on. That's what Whittaker believes, and that's not something I've not seen him be that confident about any of his previous fights. Still के साथ भी he said it would be a chess match, all those things, and take out. Adesanya against he was fired up, but he was not in the best. So I want to believe Whittaker, but there is some part of me which believes कि upset होने का chances है.
Okay.
What's your prediction for that?
My prediction, I'm going with Bobby Knuckles. My heart says Bobby Knuckles. I don't know what my mind says.
Right. My heart says Bobby Knuckles too, but
Cannonier. Cannonier. I'm certainly considering that कि Cannonier upset pull कर सकता है, and he has been for the last few fights. He has been pulling upsets.
Okay. It was a nice experience for the first podcast. Fans, tune in for the fights. I think the main fights will be around 1 o'clock, I believe. 12:30 se ready run. Main card will start at 11:30 p.m. and prelims will be 9:30 for them. And let's connect on the next fight week where we'll hopefully cover the whole card, if not the main card at least. See you guys.
Bye-bye.
Guys, enjoy the fights. Bye.